Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As you can see, I have some packages that have arrived and I thought it would be fun to do a little unboxing. I love watching videos like this and seeing what people get in the mail. Thought we would start out with Ipsy. Every month I get a package from Ipsy. If you haven't heard of this company, Ipsy is a great service, and this is not sponsored, but this is a great service for trying out different skincare and makeup products each month, and also hair tools and just different things that are marked down to a lower price than you would get elsewhere. So if you sign up for Ipsy, they send you some pre-selected products and then you get to pick out some other products, and it's just really fun to get this in the mail every month. So let's see what I got this month. I already know a few of the items. Ooh, I actually forgot that I selected this. Does anyone else have like shopping amnesia where you totally forget what you actually ordered? So I got this anti-wrinkle treatment. It's by the brand Dermalect, I think. Yeah, Dermalect Empower Anti-Wrinkle Treatment. And I think this was probably around like 20 something dollars. So with Ipsy, there's different like tiers of products that you can purchase as add-ons. There's like little mini travel size products, and then there's like the larger ones. This one looks like it's gonna be good. I honestly just was scrolling through all of the add-on products, and anything that was anti-aging or anti-wrinkle, I was like, add-on. Half of what I like when I choose products, honestly, is the packaging, because if I have to look at it every day, it's gotta look good. And then another cool thing about Ipsy is that you get a makeup bag with every order. So this month, this is the bag that I got, and it's very colorful, very tropical. And it's kind of cool because each month the theme of the bag will change depending on the season. Like in October, I got a makeup bag that had like a spider web design on it, so that was kind of cute. And then I have a Kenzie product, Kenzie Zest for Life. I think this is a perfume. Yeah, this is a little travel perfume. Very cute. Let's give it a try. It's not coming out, so that's a great start. Ooh, it's very citrusy. That is yummy smelling. Okay, all right. So that's what I like about Ipsy, is like you try out things that you normally would never try out. So I really like this scent. It's very, very summery smelling. And then just some other mini products that came in that bag. This cream blush by Siat London. I can't pronounce that. I think it's supposed to be Siat Velvet Skin Cream Blush. So excited to try that one. And then we've got this Dew of the Gods Clay Date Mini. It's a pink clay mask, supposed to be hydrating and healing. So excited to do a little self-care evening or something and then try out this mask. And then we have what is this? I think this is a blush or it's a lip gloss. I can't tell, but cute packaging, and we will try it out. And then lastly, one of my favorite skincare brands lately, Glow Recipe, this strawberry smooth serum that is supposed to be good for your skin. So excited to try that. I think that even though it's a small size, I can make this last. I'm one of those people that if it's really small, I will get every last drop out of it. Next is an exciting package from a smaller boutique called Chakerus. They are located in Charleston. And they are just one of those smaller businesses that you love to support because everything they make is beautiful. And so I reached out to them and they sent me a dress that I know what it is because I selected it, but I'm still super excited to see what it looks like in person and to try it on. I think you guys are gonna love this one. So excited about this dress from Chakerus that they sent me. It is gorgeous. This is a maxi dress that is going to be so great in the summertime, and I just love it because of the block print. It's got like navy blue and light blue and white and a little bit of a much darker navy blue at the bottom. So I really love this, and it's just so flowy and feminine, and this is going to be just an easy throw-on dress, but also could be a great date night dress because it has that kind of fancy detail going on at the bottom. And it's also got these tie straps that I love so much. And so I'm really glad that I have this dress now in my wardrobe. I've also gotten in a package from Somersault. Very grateful for this. They have beautiful pieces. They have loungewear, they have swimwear, they have just easy breezy linen pieces. So some really great summer finds on their website. Highly recommend, and they're all very, very high quality pieces. So let's see what they've sent me for this season. So now I'm wearing this stunning swimsuit from Somersault, and the pants are from Somersault as well. And this is a gorgeous print. I love how it's also one shoulder. I think it's a really flattering cut. And then it's got this beautiful bow detail on the shoulder, which is super adorable. And this is just looking very Grecian kind of vacation. And so I like that. The pants are super comfortable and flowy, wide-legged, and of course the drawstring is a nice detail as well. So this is very comfortable and a great swim cover-up pant, and the swimsuit is just super flattering. I literally have no idea where this is from, who this is from. The other side just says online seller, so we will find out together what this mysterious package is. Oh! These pieces are from an online boutique that I am a new ambassador with. Look beautiful online. Can't wait to see how they look in person. Very colorful, and they are very summery. So excited about these. Next, I got a few things from this boutique that sent me some dresses. It definitely needs a steam. Actually, all the pieces do, but I wanted to show you right out of the package. And this is a gorgeous dress. It has this little tie in the front that I think is supposed to go in the back, but I just left it in the front, and I actually really like that little detail. It is fitted at the waist, and that is so flattering. And this color is the color of summertime. I think it's a beautiful orange, tangerine kind of, and it's so flowy. It's a maxi length, and I will be living in this dress. All right, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing and try on haul. I love watching these videos. Like I said, I think they're so fun, and it's almost like we're shopping together. We're shopping buddies. So come and be my shopping buddy and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. I post daily fashion inspiration, and I've also started to do a little bit of some cooking and some reels, maybe a little baking. So it's a lot of fun over there. Head on over and follow me, and let's catch up soon. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't. I really appreciate that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.